What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and as you can see, Supcase was kind enough to send me out the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Mag XT in Rudy Red. So this case comes in 5 different colors, and you can purchase this for yourself on their website for $24.95. Don't worry, I will drop a link in the description, but you can get this in the black color, which is this color. You can get it in the dark blue. You can get it in the green, dark green. Get it in Rudy, which is red, which is the red color. Metallic red is what they call it. And you can also get it in the gray color, but the gray color is $26 more. So now we're just going to go and unbox it, and I'm going to test it out on the device and see how I like it. So here's the packaging. You know, it says Unicorn Beetle Supcase. It's drop tested, and we're going to pull the case out like so. So you can see this is what it looks like. It has MagSafe capability. That's nice, and you also get this little window to cover up your camera, but this will also double as a kickstand, and I'll show you that in a minute. So now we're going to pick up my iPhone 15 Pro Max, place it in like so. This is a nice case. As you can see, it does give you a lot of good protection around the edges. As you can see there, you get your red accent power button, which is very nice and very clicky. As you can see, no problem. But you get some grip here along the edges. It says Supcase. Down here you get feet, so if you drop it on the corner, it should be good to go. I do have a screen protector on as of right now. Then down here you do get access to your lanyard if that's something you're into. Then you also get access to all your ports at the top. Over here you get your grip, so you can have better grip of holding your device. You get an actual button for the action button. You get your volume up and down button, which is very nice and clicky, tactile. On the back here you get that nice UB logo. Like I said, MagSafe. You get some little black grips there. Then you get that camera, so if you want to take a picture, you would open it up, and this door is pretty much keeping dust and grime out of your camera while your camera's not being in use. But then you can open it up like so, and you can use this as a kickstand if you're into that kind of thing, if you're watching a video, or if you want to maybe write something. But it really doesn't go in this mode. You pretty much have to use it like this. But that's a really nice touch. You don't have to worry about your camera getting scratched up because it has a whole camera door on the back. So if you place it flat down on the table on the back, you're good to go. Like I said, it has a nice thick lip, so if you place this flat down on the table, you should have nothing to worry about. So now let's go on and bring in my wireless charger. So first let's try MagSafe, since this does have MagSafe capability, and just like that, it is working just fine. But don't worry if you do not have a MagSafe capable charger. You should. Let's see here. Let's see if you can get access to wireless charging. You do not get regular wireless charging on with this case, but don't worry, don't fret. If you have your USB Type-C charging cable, you'll have easy access to charging your phone just like that, no problem. So I will, like I said, leave a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.